In today's video, I'm so excited to announce that it's in collaboration with the wonderful company Kawaii Box. I was gifted a Kawaii Box for free to do a review, so you guys can go ahead and see some of the items. This is the September box, and the theme for this box is back to school, which is really exciting because right now it's the time that a lot of you guys are probably going back to school, so this is sort of like going with the theme. Recently I did a back to school kawaii fashion lookbook. If you haven't checked that out, then go ahead and check it out somewhere up here. And to go with kind of the theme of back to school and all things kawaii, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in this Kawaii Box. I'm so thankful to Kawaii Box. Now I will be holding a giveaway, so you can go ahead and win your own Kawaii Box. I'll be leaving a link to that in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and click on there and put in some of your information and see if you guys can win. There'll only be one winner, so hopefully you will be the lucky winner to get your own Kawaii Box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the box and see what's inside. So right off the bat, once you look at the actual box, it says Kawaii Box in the front in these big letters. It's very kawaii font. On the side right here it says Kawaii Box, so it is kind of like their website. Let's go ahead and open up the box. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh my god, look at that. It is so cute. So at the top it says snap, share, and smile. So you can go ahead and share your own review, take pictures of you and your Kawaii Box. So you can pretty much use the hashtag Kawaii Box and post your own picture with your Kawaii Box on Instagram. So the packaging comes, it's so cute. It kind of reminds me when you like get a present or you're gonna like wrap a present, you have that nice little foil, little piece of paper. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but it's like wrapping paper foil. I don't really know what it's called, but it's really cute and it has that really cute little Kawaii Box design. Let's open it up. So it comes with this really cute, I'm gonna go ahead and place this down because it's kind of hard to hold it. So it comes with a small little note here, and this is from, I think they work with the website or the company bleepo.com, and Bleepo is known for having a bunch of really kawaii items, so I do know that they work with them. And so sometimes you get some items from Bleepo, which is amazing because they focus on all things kawaii and kawaii stationery, all things like that. So you can see here it says sparkle every day, and it says Bleepo right here, and it says get a free kawaii gift with any purchase, use code KAWAIIFI. So it looks like that. So it also comes with a cute little pamphlet here as well, and it says Kawaii Box on the front. This says Sweet School Reunion, and it has a bunch of really cute sanrio characters on the front. I think it's so cute. So it says Sweet School Reunion in the middle, and then it says September 2022 because this is the September box. So it shows a couple of the items that you will receive in your box. And then it also gives you a word of the month, which is gakko, which means school in Japanese. I feel like that is so cute that they teach you some Japanese and some words that relate to the theme of that box. So I find that to be adorable. And this little pamphlet is such a genius idea that they kind of explain to you every little bit of what you're going to receive in the box. And you can also save the pamphlet because it's so cute. Like, you can literally put this on your wall as decor. Like, it's literally so cute. And it essentially explains everything you'll get in the box. So here it seems like you're going to get a taiyaki strawberry wafer, like a snack that you can eat after school or after work, whatever it may be. Then it also comes with a plushie charm from the characters Sumiko Gurashi. Then it comes with a best friend pencil with charms. It's a cute little pencil with a cute little charm at the top. A sweet scented kneaded eraser set, a Bleepo sweet dessert notebook, and a sanrio character tote bag, which is honestly so adorable. And I just love the aesthetic of Kawaii Box. It is so cute. Honestly, when I was 13 and I was getting into kawaii pop culture, Kawaii Box was a company that I really wanted to work with. This is honestly a dream come true to be able to work with Kawaii Box and receive a free box from them for this video. I'm literally like so grateful. So little Abby is like crying right now of happiness. But anywho, this whole thing is so cute. In the back you can see a couple images of other people. I'd also say that you can go ahead and use the hashtag Kawaii Box on Instagram and you may be featured on a Kawaii Box, which is amazing. So it looks adorable. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's actually inside, which I'm so excited. Okay, so here we have a kawaii bag. It was kind of folded, so I'm going to go ahead and unfold that. So it says sanrio characters. This bag is absolutely adorable. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with sanrio characters. I've done quite a few videos related to sanrio characters, like a sanrio fashion lookbook. I did a sanrio stationery haul. I also did a sanrio room makeover. So if you guys haven't checked this playlist around here, I'll leave it for you guys. I also went to a sanrio store when I was living in Japan, which I loved, which it seems like you guys love that video as well. So go ahead and check it out. This bag is honestly perfect for school. It's a really good size. It's honestly huge. It's a really cute tote bag. Tote bags are really popular right now. So honestly, if you're looking for a kawaii bag for school, like get your own kawaii box because this is adorable. So it has quite a few sanrio characters like Kuromi, My Melody, Bum Bum Pudding, Cinnamoroll, just to name a few. There are so many different characters. It is adorable. It's a really pretty, vibrant. It almost gives me like a turquoise color. It's got these cute sprinkles. It looks like they are kind of like a parfait, which is adorable. I love parfaits like so much, especially like maid cafe parfaits are so cute. Bag is absolutely adorable. It says today's special makes me happy. It gives you sort of like a menu. So this is adorable. At the bottom it says being with my besties in summer melts my heart with happiness. It is so cute, guys. Now at the end of this video, I'll be showing you guys some cool, unique ways that you guys can go ahead and use these items if you do get your own kawaii box. So I just took off the bag, and so this is what's shown here. So let's go ahead and grab a little plushie here. So this is a character from Sumiko Gurashi, which is a very popular San X character. Let's go ahead and open that up here. Look at this adorable plushie. It's so soft too. This is perfect to hang like on your bag or your backpack, which I think works really well for school. And it also has this little like, you can see the little tag that says Sumiko Gurashi. I guess when you guys look at it, it's going to be your bottom right character, I think, which is the one in blue. It is adorable and it's so soft, and the colors are like pastel. It's this really pretty turquoise, almost pastel blue color. It is so adorable. It looks like, I don't know if it's a dinosaur or what it's supposed to be. I think there's supposed to be a bunch of different animals. It's adorable. It's this really cute little round shape. I definitely see myself like hanging this on my bag. I have a really cute eater bag, so I will show you guys at the end and how you can style it. Alrighty, so I'm raising my box again, and so now we're gonna go ahead and grab this taiyaki little snack container. So it looks like this. It is so cute. I love how it's pink and it's got a strawberry filling. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with strawberries. Like, strawberries are my favorite fruit of all time. And I love how the packaging has this really cute pink rim, which is adorable because pink is my favorite color. But it's so cute. It kind of has the shape of like a little fish, and it seems like it's supposed to be like a wafer, like cookie or like a little snack. Let's go ahead and open it up and try it because I am dying to try this snack. Today's been a long day of filming and making videos, so I can't wait to try this. Alright guys, let's go ahead and try out the snack. So it looks like this. I actually had to go ahead and film this for a reel and a TikTok, so you might notice that the background has changed a little bit. The way I'm sitting has changed a little bit where I'm at. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually open it up. It's in this really cute little container, which is adorable. It looks like a miniature little plate, pink, and it looks like a fish. It's so cute, guys. Look at that. Let's go ahead and try that out. Itadakimasu. This is really good. The filling is really good. Sometimes when I have like wafer cookies with like a filling, maybe like a strawberry filling, the filling tends to be like overly sweet, but this one's not that sweet, which is really great. Like in Japan, they're really good at like figuring out like what the perfect level of sweetness is. It's got sort of like a pink filling. I don't think you guys can see it from here, but it's really good. Alright guys, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. So let's go ahead and take out this little bad boy. So this is the sweet scented kneaded eraser set. It is really cute. I love like the little packaging like on the front. Do you guys see that? It is so cute. Oh my god. I feel like in Japan they're really good at like advertising their items, and the way they brand their items are so cute. Like Japan is literally kawaii heaven. So I think it's just like a really cute little eraser, and you can kind of mold it in a way that it looks like a cute little cake. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a good job. I'm going to go ahead and towards the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and try to make this cute little cake here. I'll probably ask my sister for help because she loves making desserts, like all kawaii desserts. So hopefully I can recreate it. In the back kind of shows you an idea, like gives you I guess some sort of instructions on how to make your own little cake. Let's go ahead and see what else is next, what else is in the box. So I'm raising my box here, and let's go ahead and grab the next item. Oh, actually, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab the pencil, which I think is down here. I didn't realize it was there. Okay, so it looks like this. It is so cute, guys. It is a really cute, like almost like a grayish bluish color, which is really pretty. It's got this little keychain. Can you guys hear that? So it has like these cute little bears. Reminds me of the 3 little bears. It's kind of like definitely giving me like bear core, like just definitely cute bear aesthetic. And it has a cute little keychain with that same little bear face as you see on the little pencil here. This is adorable, and I'm probably gonna add it to my collection of kawaii pencils. Okay, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box, which I think this is the last item. So it looks like this. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like this. Let's go ahead and grab the notebook. This is so cute, guys. So the notebook looks like this. It looks like a parfait. I love parfaits. Like, parfaits are like, I think the ultimate like kawaii thing. Like if you want to make a kawaii dessert, make a kawaii parfait. Like trust me, it's so much fun. I did like a kawaii sanrio parfait from like a popular maid cafe. Like I tried to recreate a cute little sanrio themed parfait. Go ahead and click on this video here. But I love all things parfait, so this notebook is definitely my style. So this is a notebook I definitely see myself using a lot because, like I said, kawaii notebooks definitely give you like inspiration, a push to like just study harder. Because if you have like cute stationery, I don't know what it is. It just makes you like happier and makes you want to like study. I don't know. You can also use it as a journal, like for honestly anything. Let's go ahead and look at the back, which is, I'm so excited. I was gonna like show you guys the inside, but I'm just so excited to see the back that I just wanted to show it to you guys. I think this is the item that they kind of like partnered up with the company Bleepo. And this is like a Bleepo item, I guess. And this is a really cute notebook. It says, "Don't quit your daydream." And here it says, "Kira kira boshi," which I'm not sure what it means. Kira kira, I think it means like sparkle, sparkle. Maybe I'm wrong. I guess I'll show you guys on the screen what it means like in English. Maybe it means daydream. I'm not really sure, but I'll show it to you guys on the screen. Or maybe it means literally this, "Don't quit your daydreaming." I don't know. But it looks so cute. And it has a bunch of cute little characters here. Like it has like ice cream here, a cupcake here. It's got like macarons, a cute little lollipop. This is definitely something you can take for school as well. Let's go ahead and open it up and let me show you guys actually what's inside. So it looks like this. It's so cute. It's a really pretty pastel purple color. It reminds me of like a lavender color. Alrighty guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some cool ways that you guys can go ahead and use your items. So let's go ahead and get straight to that. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing for today's video, and here I wanted to show you guys an idea on how you guys can use your cute little plushie. So this is one of my favorite Ita bags. This is a pastel pink Ita bag, and I felt like it worked really well for this little like plushie here. I just hooked it onto here and then just hanged it here, and this is the way the bag looks with the plushie. It is so cute, guys. I'm obsessed with this little duo here. I think it works really well for like this look. So as you guys can see, like this outfit looks like extra cute with like just this cute plushie. So this is just a really good way for you guys to like make your bags look extra cute and adds an extra kawaii element to your outfit and to your style. So just a tip for you guys. So I'm wearing the bag right now, and this is the way it looks with this outfit. It's still very cute, and as you guys can see, it's like really spacious. Like it's huge, guys. It's probably the size of like my skirt right now, but it is very cute. It's this big, and I think it still works for like this outfit, even though it's colorful, because it has a bunch of sanrio characters and it's just absolutely adorable. I'm like obsessed with it. Now, for example, I also hanged the little plushie on this bag, which I think it still looks like very cute. Like look at that, guys. It looks absolutely adorable. I'm obsessed with it. I think it works really well with the color scheme with the plushie as well. So I could just be like walking around with my cute bag and the cute little plushie. As you guys can see, like it makes it look extra kawaii. Like I don't know what it is about these like little plushies. They make a bag look 10 times more kawaii, more cute. So this is just an idea. Another great way to use this plushie is to use it for decor. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this little guy right here, right on here. It is so cute. It still works really well, and it's still pastel and adorable. Matches really well with like the little camera I have here. So this little setup here is absolutely adorable. So you can also use it for like decor for your room, which I think is amazing. I also have this little section where I have a couple of my bags and plushies. So I feel like this would work really well, like here as well. Like if I hang it here, I think it'll still look like really cute. Like look how adorable that looks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and study. I just sharpened the pencil, and I gotta say this is a good pencil. It's not a cheap pencil. It was so easy to sharpen it. There's some really cheap pencils that I've purchased before, and they are just so cheap. Every time I sharpen it, like it just doesn't work out, but it's so smooth. So now I'm gonna go ahead and practice my hiragana katakana. It's the first thing I do, but this little setup is so cute. Whenever I study, I like to like have a cute little area to study, so this notebook is perfect for studying hiragana and katakana. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my cute little notebook here. I have my little hiragana and katakana chart right here that I like to kind of reference. I'm not gonna look at it, but I do like to look at it at the end to make sure that I actually did like I wrote the hiragana and katakana correctly. So that's why I have it here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. So I definitely see myself like, I don't know, practicing my like Japanese with this whole setup. It's like really, really cute. And I have my cute little Sumiko Gurashi plushie right here. So now let's go ahead and try to make this little guy because I want to see if I can make a cute little dessert out of this. So the packaging looks like this. It's absolutely adorable. I'm obsessed with it. But it seems like the actual base for the cake is like a creamy, like it's a very light yellow. It doesn't seem to be like a very strong yellow. I mean, it might work out though because the colors are quite light actually now that I'm taking a better look at them. I'm gonna go ahead and smell them because they're supposed to smell pretty good. So, oh, I dropped that. Oh my god, this smells so good. It smells like bubblegum. Like, I don't know why. The way it smells like bubblegum. It's supposed to be vanilla scent, but I don't know, it smells more like bubblegum to me. Okay, now let's go ahead and smell this one. This one also smells like bubblegum. I wonder if they're all gonna smell like bubblegum. Okay, they kind of look like gum. I kind of want to like eat them, but yeah, they all smell like bubblegum. I mean, this one especially looks like bubblegum, but it's not. So, okay, let's go ahead and start making these making like a little base for the cakes. I'm gonna make something like rectangular like this. So it seems that we're gonna need two yellow ones. No, two yellow ones, and then two white ones. And then we're gonna need a little bit more white for like the sides for like the frosting and the strawberries. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be back with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hopefully gave you guys some cool ideas on how you can use your items from the Kawaii Box that you may receive. I do have a code with Kawaii Box. It is capital ABI. I'll show you guys here on the screen, or just Abby, my name. That is the code that you guys can go ahead and use if you guys want to buy your own Kawaii Box. It is a $5 discount code for your own Kawaii Box. So if you guys want to get a discount, then go ahead and use my code. As for the giveaway, so you guys can win your own Kawaii Box, which is so exciting. It's my first time doing a giveaway, which is, I don't know, I never thought this would happen, and especially with Kawaii Box, which is one of my ultimate like favorite companies. Like I told you guys earlier, when I was in middle school and I just barely started my YouTube channel, I always wanted to like work with Kawaii Box, and so the fact that I was finally able to do it, it's just, I don't know, it just feels like a dream come true. It feels like a big accomplishment for me. But anywho, you guys can go ahead and join the giveaway. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead. I'll definitely write like giveaway, Kawaii Box giveaway, so it'll be pretty easy for you guys to find the link. So yeah, hopefully you guys can win your own Kawaii Box. Hopefully, like I said, this video gave you some ideas on some cool ways to use your items from the Kawaii Box. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to give you guys a big thanks for subscribing to my channel, for leaving such sweet comments, for being part of the Kawaii community. I'm so happy to see that this family is growing, so thank you guys so much. I am truly thankful to all of you guys. I really couldn't have been able to achieve all these different things without you guys' help and you guys' support and your sweet comments. So thank you guys so much. I really can't wait for this family to keep on growing. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to become part of the Kawaii family. Don't forget to follow me at the official_Abby on Instagram to get some Kawaii fashion inspiration. I'll be leaving a link to all my social media accounts in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Follow me everywhere. I have like Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. So if you guys can, it really mean a lot to me. Well, that is it for this video. 見てくれてありがとうございます。バイバイ。